Are you interested in selling Etsy digital products but have too many ideas from planners to printables and feel like the process is quite overwhelming? If so, I have you covered. Today's video is not just a regular how-to for selling digital products or here's a list of different products to sell. I'm actually going to be walking you through the entire process of starting an Etsy shop for beginners so you could start generating passive income on Etsy. So if you're looking for a proven and perfective plugin system so you could start making consistent sales with your Etsy business and scale it to a full-time income, make sure to watch this video all the way to the end. Hi, and welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Nancy, and I help small business owners turn their passions into profits. Make sure to subscribe for weekly videos, and let's go ahead and dive right in. I'm going to walk you, like I said, through the entire process of how to sell digital products on Etsy. So you want to make sure to grab a pen and paper because this video is going to be value packed from the beginning all the way to the end. Step number 1, make a list of all the digital product ideas that you are passionate about or you would like to learn how to do. What are your hobbies? What do you enjoy doing that doesn't seem like work? Maybe think about the things in life that make you feel productive and satisfied at the end of the day. And this could also be new passions. That's what I did for my party store. It was my first time selling these types of digital products, and now is my best-selling Etsy store. Step number 2 is that you need to validate the product ideas that you have. This could be done by conducting market research, seeing if there's a demand for the digital products in question, and further validating if they are profitable. After all, you're going into business to make money, which means it's up to you whether this will happen fast or slow, but not by winging it. This can be a big problem because if you have an idea for something but don't know whether there's enough demand or profitability, your chances of starting an Etsy business the right way are very slim. It's going to leave you wondering why you're not getting any sales or growth in your Etsy store. So if you're looking for a step-by-step on successfully launching your new Etsy business, make sure to grab my Etsy Mastery course today. I will leave the link in the text box description below and comments. Step number 3 is add your unique selling proposition to your products. So what does this mean? Simply put, your unique selling proposition is what makes your products different from everyone else in your market, and you need to be able to communicate the key factors that separate your product from your competitors. If you don't know what makes your products unique, you will have a hard time selling your products, and instead of standing out, you will actually blend in with every other competitor. So you want to make sure that you know what makes your products unique. Step number 4 is don't skip Etsy SEO. Make sure that you take the time to understand how Etsy SEO and how the algorithm works. If you're new to Etsy, one of the main advantages is the building traffic that you get. Even if you don't have an online presence or an email list, you could start an Etsy business and start making money right away since they provide millions of shoppers ready to buy from you. So if you need help with Etsy SEO, make sure to grab my free H-Page guide that will help you optimize your listings and shop the right way to start driving traffic to your shop. I will leave the link right below this video. Step number 5 is make sure that you set up an email list for your Etsy store. It is important to have the mindset that you are in business regardless of having 0 sales. And when you open your shop, you want to have systems in place that will help you grow your business in autopilot. And not everyone who visits your shop will buy the first time around. So having an email list will help you convert visitors into subscribers that you can nurture and market your products again later to them. I recommend creating a lead magnet that offers value to your target audience or offering some incentive to help you grow your email list. It's crucial that you don't skip email marketing. Many reputable companies offer free plans and even training on how to use their platform. Step number 6 is use social media to grow your brand and amplify your reach. I recommend starting with one social media at a time so you don't stretch yourself too thin and become overwhelmed. Pick one social media, master the platform, and then move to other platforms. Make sure that you take your time to understand how each platform works, so therefore you're using them intentionally and not wasting precious time. Step number 7 is narrow down your market and make sure to focus on creating products that are tailored to your target audience. This is really, really important. Narrowing down your niche will also help you focus on what people want instead of trying to please everyone, right? So maintaining an audience is important for any business when it comes specifically to marketing products with specific needs or wants in mind. This becomes even more critical because there's no room left over for vague ideas like everyone. Now, the first step to building an Etsy business from scratch is honestly believing that it can be done. It all starts with your mindset and willingness for success that will come if you have these two things in mind. I hope that you found this video informative. Thank you so much for watching. And if there's anything that I could help you with or clarify, please leave your comments below. And don't forget to like and share this video if you found it useful. Thanks for watching again.